bedridden patients may feel lonely and disconnected. Additionally, discomfort might be coaxing your patients into excessive reaches for the call button, costing your staff excessive room visits. We have a simple yet powerful solution. LEVO tablet stand. LEVO installation is fast. Roll it next to a bed, then plug the AC power into the base. Now just install a tablet and set the height. Extends well over patients' beds to place a tablet at their fingertips. You can even add our phone holder accessory, which doubles as a hook for items like your headphones. A USB charging socket keeps tablets charged while attached to this LEVO. It can also charge phones, headphones, lights, or any other device that charges by USB. Patients can then self-soothe in various ways, such as watching videos and movies, playing games, or video chatting with loved ones. You just hooked up your patient for better recovery. This LEVO is built for hospital environments and is UL listed, safe, stable, and secure. It also locks tablets to minimize theft, and it sanitizes with standard hospital cleaners. With great honor, we've been chosen to provide thousands of LEVOs for children's hospitals, general hospitals, and university medical centers. And it folds and stows when not in use. Contact us today to see how LEVO can elevate the spirits of your bedridden patients.